Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the notification vibration on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of your watch screen to open the Apps menu. Select the Settings cog. Scroll down the settings and select Sound and Vibration. Scroll down and tap Notification Vibration. Here you have a few different vibration patterns to choose from. Tap one to preview and select it. You can also do this on your phone screen. Open up the Galaxy Wearable app and tap on Watch Settings, then tap Sound and Vibration. Tap Notification Vibration and you can choose from a variety of different vibration patterns. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.